How to grow your hair super fast overnight. In this video, I will be revealing to you how to grow your hair super fast overnight. Make sure you watch until the end. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this, and you will also be notified whenever we upload a new video. Have you ever gotten a bad haircut, wishing you could grow it all back and start over? The recipe for hair growth used to be just patience and time, but who has time for that? Growing up, I have always been fond of healthy, lengthy hair, yet despised the weight. These past few years, I tried many different techniques to try and cheat the system. From hanging your head upside down to washing your hair less, these wacky tricks never helped my case. This overnight hair mask was the one method that gave me concrete results, allowing my hair to grow long, thick, and healthy fast. How to grow your hair super fast overnight. Ingredients for overnight hair mask: 2 eggs, 4 spoons of olive oil, 4 to 6 spoons of coconut oil. These simple ingredients naturally work wonders. Egg yolk resists damage to the hair, containing vitamins A, E, D, biotin, and folate, providing nutrition where it is needed. Olive oil is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. While this richness fights off damage, it also protects the hair and replenishes natural oil back into the scalp. Adding olive oil into your roots promotes moisturization of dry hair, allowing it to grow at a faster pace. Lastly, coconut oil is cherished like gold, due to the way that its essential fatty acids nourish the scalp. This gets rid of sebum buildup in the hair follicles, overall presenting you with longer and thicker hair, lightening fast. Before starting, gather your ingredients. If you want to keep track of your progress, you may put on an old t-shirt and mark with a washable marker where the tip of your hair ends, to compare in the morning. Keep in mind, this isn't magic, but results are guaranteed. Step 1. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whip them with a fork until it results in a smooth texture. Add 4 spoons of olive oil into that same bowl, mixing it in with the eggs. Step 2. Preferably over a sink or tub, pour the blended eggs and oil into the crown of your hair, a little at a time. With your hands, massage this only into your scalp, making sure your roots are completely submerged. This massaging technique stimulates blood flow into your scalp, helping the hair grow faster and even removing dandruff. Step 3. Put your hair up, if it is at a length that you can, so it does not make a mess. If you wish, you may wrap your hair in saran wrap or a shower cap so that it does not drip onto your shoulders or clothes. Let this sit for an hour or more before rinsing out. Step 4. After rinsing out the eggs and olive oil with water, massage 4 to 6 spoons of coconut oil into both your scalp and the rest of your hair. This amount varies depending on the length of your hair. The coconut oil is placed into the entirety of the hair because while it promotes hair growth, it also is a go-to for defeating frizzy hair, adding shine, repairing split ends, and providing a softer texture. Step 5. Leave the coconut oil in your hair overnight, wrapped so no pillows are sacrificed. While you sleep, results are in the procedure. Final step. In the morning, wash out the coconut oil with your regular shampoo and conditioner. Compare it to the length it was before, to see if progress was made. Do you agree with our steps? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below and let us know what you think, and also hit the subscribe button never to miss any updates from us. More amazing secrets and tips will keep coming. Join us on the healthy side of life. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have hand-picked for you to enjoy next. Stay healthy.